Welcome back to the channel. It's almost 10 o'clock at night, January 6th, and I just got called out for a tractor trailer that failed to navigate a back road up in Crofton. So he rounded the corner, looks like he dropped his trailer off in the ditch, and so we're gonna go get us a little bit of pick and swing action tonight. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you guys when we get on scene. All right, just arrived on scene. So what I got here looks to be just a good old-fashioned pick and swing. Missed the corner, dropped the tires off the trailer there in the ditch, and it lifted the drive tires of the tractor, so he can't go nowhere. So I'm gonna pull up here and get in position, and we'll get him out. No, sir, I'm the...
So that's about 200,000, man.
Four?
Four?
Now, they used to be 200.
Oh, about 400.
They're about 400 now.
A few moments later.
This ditch is a whole lot deeper than it looked. Highway's a straight shot back to a good road. It's kind of windy, but you came down it, so you know what it is.
Yeah, I was trying to find a way to turn around, but
I don't think the
that's where I should have gone.
Say it's a pretty good execution. I absolutely love a pick and swing. So I'm using 1/2 inch grade 100 chains, my 15 footers like I always do. And as we can tell here, this is the ditch that he was in. As soon as I get my flashlight to turn on here. Come on. Yeah. So this is the ditch that he was in. Pretty freaking gnarly ditch there, but I mean, I just stepped down in it. Now I'm shoulder high with the bottom of the trailer. Well, we're all leveled back out. He's still on the trailer a little bit there. I might have to reposition and do it again. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just a little bit. Reposition and swing him just a little bit more. All right. All right, well, we got you a lot safer now. I got to reposition and move you just a little bit more.
Inches later.
Oh yeah, he's way up on the road now. No worries about that one at all. You get up off of his trailer, his tires here. It's close, but his airbags are down, so that'll come up and change all that. I'm happy with that. It looks like our crowd left. All right, cool. He ought to be able to get out of here from now. All right, guys. Well, that's the end of that one. I don't know if this video is even going to turn out worth the crap because it's so dark out here, but I did my best. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Okay, bye.